Alright, today we are replacing this old radiator. Customer has supplied a Flowmaster radiator from Screwfix, so let's get started. Just checking the wall to see if it's brick or plasterboard. So firstly I start by draining down the heating system. Now I'm just unboxing the new Flowmaster and I'm going to put it all together so then I don't have to faff about once the radiator's off. I've got the system draining whilst this is happening, so it's just killing time really. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to isolate both the lock shields, because this radiator has two lock shields. I'm going to isolate both the lock shields and then I'm going to crack the bottom nuts and take the radiator outside because the system is drained. So now I'm removing the old brackets. Then I remove the old nuts and olives with my olive pullers. If you look, that tail's in and it's short. So instead of bending the pipe outwards, we'll just get an extension tail, just about that long. You can cut it down. That one's about right. So just get the pencil, mark where my brackets are going to go, which is going to be there. So I'm going to mark it there and there. So that's the vertical line going up. And as you can see here, it won't go on the smooth side of the bracket, so we'll put it on the fat side out. And then that should hopefully get it. So let's go get that extension. So this is the towel. I think, can't remember how long now. I think it's 5 inches. Size don't matter anyway. So yeah, these come like that and they get you out of the crap sometimes. So obviously I'm gonna go upstairs, measure it, cut it. Probably with an angle grinder, because my normal cutter won't do that. So yeah, I'll cut it down and then that'll go in to the rad. So that's now been cut down, so we know that's correct. We know that one's right. So let's get it on the wall. So, don't know if you can see, but there's a centre line here, which is the centre of the hole, okay? So, centre of that to the bottom of the bracket will tell you where you want your bottom line of the bracket. So then the rad will sit on top of the pipe. So, just do there. Back a bit, so it's about just trying to see if we can line it up. It's about 60 mil. So from this is how I do it. So 60 mil up off of the top of the pipe onto that wall, or 60 mil off the top of that pipe onto the wall. Across will be the bottom line of the bracket, and then you just got that line there. You do a horizontal line down, and then you know your bracket's going to sit there. I'll show you in a second. I probably didn't explain it that well, but let's go. So now I've got my holes that I'm going to drill my brackets. So I'll drill them, and we'll come back. Don't forget these. Oh, basically I changed my mind. It does fit on the skinny side of the bracket outwards. So I've just changed my mind, same height and everything, just the skinny side out on the brackets. And that windowsill was well pissed, so. Now I'm just using liquid PTFE for the threads of the towels. Now in this next bit, you'll see that this panel of the radiator is really, really flimsy. It's come out of the box like it, and in my opinion, it's just very annoying for something that's just come out of the bag. But it's what the customer supplied, so what can you do? So now I'm just pasting up the towel and the pipe, and then I just put side by side on the rad, tighten up my TRV valve, as you can see what I'm doing here. Believe it or not, the rad's level. But if you look at it from a different point of view, because of this windowsill is out, it looks super out. But it's the windowsill, so rad's level. So all that's left to do is now bleed the system, fire everything up, and make sure that this radiator that I've installed now gets hot. Now I have to run down, top the pressure up. So annoying. It's going up very, 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 very slowly. Extremely slow. Like, there are about 20 rads here though, so pump's doing his thing. 1.5 bar. Let's go fill it up. Once it was filled up, it was all good to go. I'm not 100% on these Flowmaster rads. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you haven't got a software app for your certificates, download Gas Engineer software and use my code for 25% off. Merry Christmas.